What's up, YouTube fam? Thanks for tuning back in. Today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and going over the accessories of my Lectric XP fat tire foldable bike. I had to slow that down because the brain's not working yet. Caffeine hasn't kicked in. It's not going to be a true unboxing. Full disclosure, I've already unboxed it and played with it and everything else. I was too excited and didn't do a real unboxing, so I'm going to put, through the magic of YouTube, a reenactment of me unboxing my bike. It's here. It's finally here, guys. The Lectric XP foldable bike. Let me take you on an unboxing. Test. Hope you guys can hear me. As you can see, they're ripping up my street right now. Hopefully they throw down some brand new asphalt. That would be fun on the one wheel, but that's not what this video is about. This video, oh look, I've got 95 miles on this thing. So this is actually going to be a three-way video: 100-mile review, my accessories, and the unboxing. Alright, so let's go. Oh, and speaking of, I was talking to that guy right there. I don't know if you can see him. He was driving the street sweeper, and we were talking about the bike. Stopped me and asked me all about it. I think I got another conversion. So we're gonna go for a ride, enjoy this beautiful day. I've got a hoodie on, but I don't need it. It's like 70 something degrees right now. So let's get going and talk about the bike in a few. So right now, headed to the gym, but on my way, I want to talk about some of the accessories that I've done to the Lectric XP, and hopefully find a nice little backdrop so that I can stop and go over some of the stuff. So enjoy the ride for now. Got a mask. Well, at least I didn't make it too far. Alright, so I gotta turn around, grab a mask. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to go to the gym. Alright guys, take two. Had to run home because I forgot my mask. Luckily I wasn't too far away. Alright guys, find a nice little spot, do a little quick review on the accessories now of the Lectric XP. Give you a better view of the bike. So I'm not going to waste your guys' time by giving you the stats of the bike. You can Google that, or there's plenty of videos about it already. But what I am going to do is go over some of the accessories that I've done. So first thing you've probably noticed is that it is blacked out. Now I didn't want to paint or plaster dip or do any of that crazy stuff where I had to disassemble it. So what I used was Gaffer'S Tape. Now I'm not a roadie. I didn't even know what Gaffer'S Tape was until just recently when I bought the bike. I did see somebody on the forums black out their bike, and this is what they suggested, so this is what I did. Now from far she's a beaut, but if you get close you can see the seams, which to me I don't care. One, it protects the paint. Two, from far it looks, look, from this angle it looks great. And if I needed to, I can pull it off and replace it, no problem. So if you're looking for a blacked out theme or any theme, try Gaffer'S Tape. But if you're good with vinyl, good with plaster dip and spray paint and all that stuff, have at it. Cost me like $8 for a roll of this stuff on Amazon. I'll link it down below, as well as all the other things that I have on the bike. Second accessories that I did, see these lights? $5. Well, $5 each, I should say. I got these from Five Below, and if you don't know what Five Below is a novelty store where everything's about $5 or less. I was just browsing one day and I found these lights, and they seem to work very well for the price. Now if you've looked up lights on Amazon, you're not finding anything for $5, at least nothing like that. And they work very well. You can zoom them in, you can make it more of a floodlight, but two of them for $10, and I got more lights. Helps me out tremendously. Now my next accessory or next mod, that is a top rail bag. Now I bought this top rail bag because, I'm not gonna lie, it makes it look like a motorcycle. I've never had a motorcycle, never really wanted a motorcycle, but I did admire them, especially the bobber type motorcycles, and this gives it that bobber tank, gas tank look, or is it oil tank? I don't know. See, I don't know anything about motorcycles, but it gives it a motorcycle look. In here I use it to keep some tools up in here, power bank, cord right to my phone, and some miscellaneous tools. Now I'm also going to add in a patch kit and whatever else that I can fit in there that's going to help me with the bike if I needed it. Next mod, I got the Mi Chow off of Amazon. This is actually a right hand mirror. I didn't want it up here, so I placed it down here to give it that sleek look, and it works good. It takes a little bit of adjusting, but you get used to it and it works perfectly. Now just make sure you tighten everything once you have it set. That way when you're riding around and hit bumps, it doesn't move all over the place. But yeah, I'm very happy with that purchase. Next accessory up is the phone mount. Now this is my second phone mount, and I like this one a lot. This one I'd give 10 stars, and it was only a couple bucks more. Now I should have not cheaped out and bought the other one which was trash. I don't have it here, but I will link that one, and just so you guys can avoid it, because after the third use it just stopped working. But this one in particular, I'll link it. It works very well. Twist it on, it's nice and secure. Everything about that is good. Now you're probably wondering why I have a cup holder on my seat post. This cup holder is trash. I've had it up there a few times. I've placed water bottles in there. I've had my Bang Energy, and anytime you hit a bump, everything flies out. Even though it's got these things that are supposed to hold the bottle in place. So what I use it for now is just quick access for my well, that's trash. I already lost a glove. Ah well. So there you go. See, can't even use it for that. Anyway, this is probably going to come off now because I lost the glove. Damn it. Next option, or next accessory, is this little light. Now you may be like, well, why don't you get a black one, or why do you have that hanging on the seat post? Well, this thing was $0.25. Yes, 25 cents. I got this as well as this bell for less than $1. There was a store by me called Flying Tiger, which was like a, think of an IKEA novelty store, but they were going out of business, unfortunately. It's probably due to COVID. However, they had to clear out all their inventory, and I got in just in time to snatch up some bike accessories. Now this one is a red light, that's why I have it on the rear. See that? Doesn't go with the theme, but it stays in place. Look, even though it's not secure, it still stays in place. So that was perfect for that. This bell, I mounted it upside down because, one, it's out of the way. You don't see a huge bell, but it's well within reach of my thumb. And let's see what else we got. One other accessory. I do a lot of night riding, so I was thinking about getting the reflective tape for the wheels, but I couldn't commit to it because I like the blacked out theme, so I bought black reflective tape. Only problem with that is they didn't give me enough wheel contoured type tape. So what I did was I made a shape. See that? Now these do work pretty good for black reflective tape. They're incognito in the daytime, but maybe I'll try to get a shot at nighttime. And it gives it that little uniqueness on the bike. I also put a few pieces here. I don't know how well that's going to help reflect light in those little areas, but whatever. So that's the bike, kids. Oh, I do have one more thing. Be right back. Let me show you why I have to be right back. Now with any electric bike, most of them have a key that you use for the battery. And I've seen a couple of videos where you guys are riding with your keys attached. Why do you do that? You guys ride something like that. Why do you do that? So this accessory helps out a lot. That way you can just keep your keys in your pocket and the key into the thing. Just get one of these things. I don't know what they're called. Here, put it down. Look at this. Press up, and now you're not riding with your keys hanging down. Don't do that, guys. You guys are gonna lose your keys. You're not gonna get home. So I definitely recommend this. Okay. Oh, one more mod. All right, one more mod that I forgot to mention is the alarm. Now, I don't really go anywhere where my bike is going to be out of sight, but if I did a group ride and let's say we stop for food or something, one thing I do need to get that I haven't gotten yet is a bike lock, but I did get something else. Bike alarm. So here's the remote key fob that it came with, and I'm not going to show the alarm, but basically the alarm that I got I'll link below, and just find a nice little hiding spot for it, and then you can mount it anywhere you want. It comes with 3M double-sided tape as well as tie wraps, and just find a place for it. At least now, if anybody tries to move the bike while the alarm is armed, I'll know that they're trying to take it. Now, like I said, I do need a bike lock. However, I'm not doing any group rides as of yet, so I will find one and link that down below as well. But that's my bike, guys. Hopefully you guys like that video. Hopefully you like the unboxing, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, and one more thing, guys, if you guys can hear me, this bike rack makes a perfect hat holder, especially if you have a snapback. Look, it fits right in and it won't fall off. So if you want to bring your hat with you, that way you can switch out from the helmet. Fits right in there. I don't use the bike rack for anything else, so that's what it's for now. All right, let's head to the gym because I gotta pee. up, man? What's up? What bike is that? Oh, this is Lectric.
Wait, no, this is Electric also.
No, the brand is Lectric. Oh. Yeah, it's electric without the E.
Oh,
what is that, sur-ron?
Like yes, sur-ron.
That's dope.
Yeah, this one's like full on, like really.
No.
Nobody has e-bikes over here.
I know. It's so hard to find anybody with e-bikes.
Yeah,
right?
you too?
Yeah, actually, when I just started, it's
yeah, me too.
actually, no, I saw somebody with a juiced on here too.
I want to see his analog bikes for hikers.
Yeah.
It's like I took this to like an actual single track and it demolished the place.
Yeah.
What's how fast did that go?
Ah, not that fast. 28 with pedal assist. Yeah.
That's a real. This is not even considered a real.
I've seen videos of this. I know.
You gotta run away.
Yeah.
You should check out my YouTube.
Yeah. What is it? Just say it in here because.
Oh, it's D2 Saucy. D-T-O-O-S-A-U-Y-Y.
Okay.
I'm trying to get like, imagine like a whole bunch of us. Like,
Yo, me too.
like I seen the people in LA, I get so jealous.
The Super 73 guys, right?
Yo, the super, you know YouTuber named Dylan Thompson?
I watch him all the time.
Yo, he got the sur-ron, I freaked out.
Yeah.
Like, yo, I've been in the comments, yo, do this. Yo, I really help out with everything.
That's crazy. Yeah, I watch him a lot too. I wanted a Super 73, but I needed something that I could bring, just throw in my car and just fucking go anywhere.
Yeah, no, this one I need a whole minivan to bring this.
Bro, you need either a van or those heavy duty racks or something, right?
Yeah, I want to get one for my car, but right now I just stick in the back of a minivan. Put the seats down.
Oh, okay, so there you go, you're good. Yeah, I don't have a minivan, so I need something to fold up. That's dope. Yeah, we got the same fucking YouTube, bro.
Let me know if you ever want.
I'll comment on your shit. Yeah.
Let me know.
Absolutely, bro.
I can do that lead with the pack.
That'll be dope, bro. That's nice.
Say, man.
Dude. Yeah, in Edison. Okay, that's what's up.
Say, man.
Yeah, you too, brother. That's a wrap, folks. That's my electric bike and things I did to it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys did to your bike or what you're looking to do to your bike. But yeah, let's share this, share the community and get the electric out there in the mainstream, just like the Super 73 guys. That'll get that big, but as long as we got people who are willing to customize and have fun with their bikes, there's always going to be a community for it. Alright, so if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe, and check you on the next video. Peace.